Fam. Welcome to Fabulosity for you, where the fashion is fierce, the celebrity gossip is hot, and the relationship advice is real. Welcome. Today I am doing the unveiling of the women's Gucci Wedge Sandal with the Horsebit is what we're going to be looking at today. And this is the box. It came today. I ordered it last week from Neiman Marcus. And so this is the box. And I was surprised that the box says Saks Fifth Avenue, but perhaps they are owned by the same company. So I opened it up and this is the box, the new red Gucci box. That's the new colors. And this is the tag on it. Okay. So I was really excited. I saw this sandal last summer. So I'm thinking it came out last summer. And so I decided to order it now because these sandals will be on backlog if you don't get them before the season starts. Okay. So I hurried up and grabbed mine. And so this is how it came. It came with the Gucci bag for each shoe. Is what it came with. Okay, it was wrapped very well. There's lots of paper in it. Each shoe has its own plastic bag. And it has the tissue inside of the shoe so that it keeps its shape. So this is the shoe. Now the heel is 4.5 inches, and when I ordered it online. I didn't realize that. And I was like, oh my God, am I going to be able to wear it? So I'm gonna have to try it on. But at the end of the day, this is it. The wedge, I'm thinking I'll be able to wear it because of the wedge heel. I really don't wear high heels because I just don't. But, so this is it. It's a beautiful shoe. Beautiful shoe. Okay. You have your Gucci and the inside. This is a size 38. It's written 38. And, you know, the authenticities for shoes, because it has a number, the serial number in the shoe. And when you have authentic bags and everything, they all come with a serial number. And so on the back is the SKU and all of the things. And it says made in Italy. It feels very nice. Okay, so let's get into this shoe. Let's get into it. If you love luxury fashion that blends timeless elegance with everyday wearability, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at the stunning designer piece, the Gucci Women's Wedge Sandal Horsebit. This sandal is classic Gucci at its finest, crafted in the iconic GG canvas. It instantly gives the signature luxury vibe that fashion lovers recognize anywhere. The design feels both elevated and effortless, perfect for spring and summer styling. What really makes this sandal stand out is the horsebit detail in a light gold tone. This is one of Gucci's most recognizable symbols, and it adds just the right amount of sophistication without being over the top. Let's talk about the wedge. The wedge heel gives you height while still being practical and comfortable enough for daytime wear. Whether you're heading to brunch, on vacation, or just want to elevate a casual outfit, this sandal does the job beautifully. I love how versatile this piece is. You can style it with a flowy dress, tailored shorts, wide leg pants, or even denim. It effortlessly pulls the whole look together while still feeling luxurious. Since this is a designer shoe, caring for it properly is key. Keep it away from direct heat, light, and rain, and gently clean it with a soft cloth or brush when storing. Use tissue paper to maintain its shape and keep it in its dust bag to protect it. Overall, the Gucci women's wedge sandal with horsebit is a beautiful investment piece, timeless, elegant, and unmistakable Gucci. Okay, so I'm going to try the shoe on to make sure it's comfortable and I can wear a 4.5-inch stack shoe. I'm going to try it on. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so I decided to wear with my new Gucci sandals a Gucci t-shirt with a long Gucci sweater and a pair of jeans, because you can wear these shoes, you can dress them up and you can dress them down. I decided to dress them down. So this is the back of the sweater. And this is a nice outfit for a nice day. It's still not really hot outside, so the sweater will do the trick. But these sandals, I'm telling you right now, are so comfortable. Oh my God. And as you can see, I have no problems walking in my sandals at all. Very comfortable. And so I'm really happy about it, because if they weren't comfortable, if I couldn't handle these heels, then I was definitely going to send them back. Okay. I also have the matching purse. This is the new Gucci bag. Okay. I got this a couple of months ago. It has it has a strap as well. And I'm going to be wearing it with these shoes this summer. I'm going on vacation this summer, and so these are going to be my go-to shoes. So these Gucci wears with the horse bit, as you see, I can walk really well in them. They are very comfortable. So I definitely recommend these shoes. If you're thinking about getting them, get them. Because at the end of the day, they are going to be on backlog. Now, just a FYI, guys, and I'm just telling you guys this, I went to Rue La La's after I ordered these shoes, and they were $175 cheaper, okay? They were sold out, but if you say you still want them, when they get them back in, they would just charge your credit card, and you can have them. But I had already ordered these shoes. I didn't feel like taking them back and doing this and doing that and waiting on the shoes again. So I just kept these. But again, these are Gucci wedge shoes with the horse bit. I ordered them from Neiman Marcus. I got them really fast. These shoes are hot. This bag is hot. You can wear these shoes with shorts, a flowy dress, a pair of jeans. You're gonna always be fly if you wear these shoes, no doubt. These are showstoppers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more fashion, for more relationship advice, and more celebrity gossip. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the notifications on, so when I put out videos, you'll be the first to know. And I'll see you in the next video.